Hey guys, welcome back to Dolls, Dragons, and Doki / Brother. So this is going to be sort of a second, what's it called? Sequel to the D.I.Y Yarn Dragons, which is red up here. So I think that's our best video yet. The only thing was, I think it was a bit confusing on how to do like the hand spool knitting thing. So I'm just gonna real quick do like a little talk through on how to do it. So we got our yarns here. So we're going to go over this finger, under that finger, over this finger, under that finger, and I forgot the scissors. Got the scissors. Anyways, okay. So, over this finger, under that finger, over this finger, under that finger, and then again, but then this time opposite, over this finger, under that finger, over this finger, under that finger, and then we're just going to tie a little knot here just to keep it stable. There we go. Tying knots with tiny pieces of yarn. With great yarn comes great. Okay. Okay, one thing. Well, not really so question. So, I have made dragons before that video. One second. Okay, yeah, so I made dragons before the D.I.Y Yarn Dragons video. So, I put googly eyes on those dragons. Now, this one, right over here, looks good, it's okay, it's cute, but the only thing is that I'm going to have two sizes of eyes. I need like a size in between this eye size and this eye size, but I didn't have any, so I had to go with the bigger one. This, the small eye, it would look scary, so this is the one with the small eyes. But these were the ones I made before, and I got a little rusty in that video, so this is Light, the amazing dragon. I like this head better actually, but because it has more of like a depth and detail, and this one just has, it is basically a big mouth instead of a head. So this one is Lightning because she's a meat, so she doesn't make any sound. And she doesn't move with her legs. This is Bolt. And this is Wings. Mostly this one. Okay, yeah, and this is Blossom. And then this is Fern. I mean, all my crafts, don't judge. So anyways, back to this. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Then, it's easier if I can just kind of like this. So, then you're gonna... Let me try this first. Alright, so we're gonna do... How do I show this? Dealing with the computer is so hard, let me tell you. Okay, so... Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, sort of over it, right? And we're gonna take the little loops, and we're just gonna kind of try to tuck the finger in there, so that way this loop underneath the stray yarn over here, this yarn right here, that's attached to the ball of yarn, we're going to try to take the loop which we went over under, and we're going to try to get that on top, so that way this piece of yarn, this becomes the new loop, which is what I was trying to explain in those subtitles. It's just really hard to try to explain this, so let me show you again. So then we get this loop, and then we try to get the finger into that loop. See? Like that. And this is a little difficult, so let me shush. Like, it's difficult to show. This is very easy, but it looks difficult. So just let me try to show you how many times this I can to try to get you guys to understand. Like that. I don't know. If you guys still understand, then just tell me. I'll try to explain it better sometime. Alright, so that's what you do. I've already spent like 5 minutes on this, and that's a long time. So just, that's the slow version. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And just a thing, I have little polls. If you press that little eye there, right over here with the white circle with a little eye on it, it will show you like a bunch of poll questions I had to let me know how I'm doing with these videos. Also, if you want me to know how good I'm doing with these videos, press the like button or subscribe. We could really use some help here. And so, anyways, you guys just do this a long time, and then it will get long enough to become this size of a body, like this, or this size of a body. And this one, I didn't really do like the extra step, but I'll show you the extra step later. Just let me real quick do this, and then I'll show you. Okay, guys. So I basically just kind of did this and just tugged it a little bit to make it a little more, stuff. And then now what we're going to do is, let me see how I do this. Easy to film. Oh, 1 second. Let me see. There we go. You may or may not be able to hear the video game in the background. Okay, so we're going to take this little loop right here. We're going to put it on this finger. Just make sure to pull it so it's nice and tight. See now there's 2 loops on here? Wait. Oh no. Just a second. Let me pull this down. There we go. So now we're going to take the loop from the other finger, and we're going to put that on here, just tightening it. And we're just going to kind of pull the loop that's supposed to be on this finger. We're just going to pull that over. So you're always just trying to pull the under loop over the other loop. So then you're going to take this loop from this finger, pull it onto this finger, and you're going to move it like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. This finger onto that finger. This is not usually as slow as I usually go, but I'm just trying to make sure everybody can understand. Okay, so then we're just trying to put this loop over that loop. One second, there we go. Okay, so now we only have 1 loop left. We're going to cut the yarn, and we're going to tie it nicely, nice and tight. There we go. We're just going to cut this little piece. Okay. Now we're just going to, this is really loose. This is not, okay, so I made wings with the normal spool. Okay, look how tight it is. This is not as tight as this. So we're going to try to get it as close as we can by taking loose little bits over here, and we're just going to pull them. So let me see here. The ones on the side, unless they're really, like these parts, you don't really want to pull those a lot unless you really need to, because those might show up. You're going to take some of the loops from here, you're going to pull them up a little bit, and you're just going to tie 2 loops together. You're just going to do that until you feel like it's nice and tight. Like, this is how it looks after I tied it. It's much tighter than all the rest of them. Also, this is the part where you really want to, there's going to be really big loops, so you want to tie really nicely over here. So that's basically it on how you make it. Now, other than that, you're just going to watch the video, which is, if you go back to the front, it will be right over here. So you're just going to watch that video. You'll understand along with this. So I'm just going to make a lot of dragons, and then we're going to continue to the actual accessories part.